Hello. The HFM Administrator Training course is available as live classroom or as self-paced on-demand training that allows you to build expertise in your own time at your own convenience. The on-demand service provides instant access to the course materials, a hands-on lab environment to undertake the workshops, and personalised support if you need it. It's a packed course with plenty of hands-on workshops based around HFM and its complementary products such as FDMEE, SmartView and Financial Reporting Studio. It's designed to meet the needs of system administrators from existing implementations as well as new rollouts, and is an essential starting point for creating or managing HFM analytic applications. As the original Hyperion training team, Keyteach has worked with HFM since its inception. Our experience is unrivalled when it comes to training HFM, a fact that's clearly demonstrated in the quality and depth of the training material. The course investigates all aspects of system design, development and administration, and explores how data is submitted, adjusted, reviewed, signed off and validated. We'll look at key design considerations and how to apply best practice during the design, build and support of HFM applications. All activities are based around several applications to help build an understanding of how the system responds and the attributes of the dimensions that underpin the applications. So whether you deploy metadata using EPMA or load it using classic HFM, you'll gain a firm understanding of the dimension attributes and how they impact your application. We'll explore the creation of rules within HFM, and we'll build and test various calculations using both standard rules files and the Calculation Manager module. For a more in-depth look at rules, we have a separate 3-day course that covers building and maintaining more sophisticated calculations for the system. As the course progresses, we'll flex the content to suit the demands of your environment, and you'll be encouraged to go off-piste rather than simply sticking to the instructions in the comprehensive printed workbooks. You can download the detailed agenda to see exactly what's covered, but if you're creating or managing HFM applications, this Keyteach course is a must for you.